Fresh mango avocado salad. Welcome back. Today I'm using ripe mango, avocado, cucumber, tomato, red onion, fresh coriander and lemon. Start by prepping the fruits and the vegetables. And now the tomatoes and onions. Toss everything gently with a squeeze of lime and a pinch of salt, black pepper or chili. Add 1 spoon of olive oil, and that's it. The salad is light, refreshing and perfect as a healthy meal or side dish. Simple ingredients, fresh flavors and easy to make. Subscribe for more healthy meals.